Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change language on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open the app. Okay, and then here you can press three line. And then you can select country and language option. Okay, after that, in the language section, here you can select the language suitable for you. Okay, and then you can click this option. And then the language is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change language on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.